Sweet. Yo, I'm Emonic. Good morning. It is 3:40 in the morning. I got my Dragon Ball Z shirt on. I got my kalimba. Within about, I think, 9 days, I'll have 100,000 subscribers, if I do this correctly. So my goal of 200 subscribers for making beats and drinking beer, I think we're gonna do it. I think we're gonna do it. How about that 1600 ISO setting? It's like I just turned the lights on in here. Alright. How y'all doing? If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I have lots of fun making music. And as my headline says, making music changing lives. That may sound like a haughty claim, but when I say changing lives, I just hope at the end of any of my videos, you either smiled, or you felt something, or it inspired you to go do something. Creative, hopefully. I believe being creative is an essential part of life. Hopefully I'm in focus. La 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 la. La 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 la. I need some drums. Just a little kick. A nice kick. Yeah. Yo, I'm about to play record static like an instrument. Much love to Reflekt Audio for the Sound Widget collection of plugins and the old vinyl. I'm really digging all of these. Thank you so much for what you create. That is really cool. So not only are we going to have some record static in this super chill beat, but it's going to be in key, going from mainly C to F, riding along with those kalimba chords. Okay, I've been working on getting this arrangement right. I am like in love with this right now. There's one more sound that we need to add, and it's a joyful little arpeggiator right at the end to really solidify the experience.